earlier today he got an endoscopy.
Yeah, endoscopy showed that everything was fine. They didn't see a hernia. They still have to test for H. pylori, but they're basically saying that everything looks fine.
I'm sure that H. pylori test will come back negative, but there you go, folks. Negative endoscopy. So many people deal with this and they're frustrated. And then what did the doctor send you home with?
And she's like, you're basically fine. Take these antacids and see me in 2 weeks. And it was a meprazole. And I'm not going to take meprazole. I've taken it in the past. Trust me, guys, it just makes it worse. It'll make your digestion worse. It's not a fix.
For some people, it makes it a little better, but for a lot of people, it makes it worse. It's not fixing the issue. And we won't go into all the issues of acid reflux right here, right now, but this is a typical case of hiatal hernia. And we treated him once 3 days ago. What's today?
2 days ago.
2 days ago, sorry. I just got back from vacation, folks. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
So 2 days ago, and what have you seen so far?
It was better. It's actually the first meal I had after I came to do the treatment was the easiest meal to digest in the last week. The burning was minimal. Right now, I actually just took a meal, and the acid reflux isn't as bad as before. In fact, it's probably a little better with food than it was without food before. So I feel like there was maybe about 20%, 20% improvement from last time.
20 to 25% improvement?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's only one treatment. There you go. If you haven't tried the hiatal hernia maneuver, you need to. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.